How to fix Instagram messages not sending. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I'm Bimal from App Guide, and in today's guide video I will simply show you how you can fix if you're not being able to send messages on Instagram. But before we get started, if you are new to our channel, do make sure to leave a like, hit that subscribe button, and without any further ado, let us get started with today's video. So first things first, what you want to do is simply make sure you have downloaded and updated the Instagram app to the latest version. And if you're not being able to send messages on Instagram, the very first reason could be your internet connection is not stable. So try to switch to mobile data or cellular data in that case, and try to go ahead and open Instagram and message someone. Not only Instagram, also try to use other social media apps and so on. And if that connection is the issue and it fixed the issue, then that's perfectly fine. If not, then we have to simply check if the Instagram servers are down, because Instagram most of the times, due to its heavy usage, is always going to remain down and report bugs and errors. So in order to check whether your Instagram is working correctly or not, you can simply go to downdetector.net. So go ahead and simply type in down detector, and what you could do is simply check whether the Instagram servers are currently down or not. So you can see right over here, you can simply tap on Instagram and then check if the Instagram servers are down. If you see a huge spike suddenly across the Instagram reports, it means that the Instagram servers are down, and you simply need to wait until they update it and then fix that issue. If not, the other solution also could be that the person may have blocked you and simply chose to ignore your messages. So simply check whether you're blocked or not, try to message other users and so on. If it doesn't fix within the Instagram app itself, what you could also do is you could open your Play Store, and in the search box you could type in Instagram Lite, and you could go ahead and simply try to download Instagram Lite and then try to message your friends from this particular app, and then check if that has fixed the issue or not, because sometimes what happens is that a simple Instagram Lite app is maybe working correctly and not the official Instagram app itself. So go ahead and simply check if that is the issue on your case as well. We hope one of these solutions may have worked for you. If it did work for you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any more questions, queries, or doubts, simply also make sure to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.